Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting yarn and hook deliberately. A DK yarn with a 4.0 mm hook gives an open, even mesh. Once chosen, form a chain the exact length you need and keep consistent tension. Uneven chains distort the mesh. Make a base row of single crochets or slip stitches to stabilize the edge so the first mesh row anchors cleanly. As you work, check gauge visually. A stable foundation prevents gap variations later. Now prepare to form the first mesh repeats. Begin the repeat. Chain 3 or 4 to set the mesh size, skip 1 or 2 foundation stitches depending on desired openness, then work a single or double crochet into the next stitch. This creates the first mesh loop. Make sure your stitch height matches across rows so the diamond or square openings stay uniform. Adjust tension rather than hook size mid-project. Place stitch markers every 8 to 10 repeats to monitor alignment, and occasionally block the section on the needles to check true openness before continuing down the row. To finish, work a solid border row, single crochets or an ornamental crab stitch to stabilize and frame the mesh so edges don't ripple. Weave in all ends securely and block the entire piece to even out openings and set the final shape. Blocking opens the mesh consistently and hides minor irregularities. If the mesh sags or looks uneven, tighten your tension on subsequent rows or add a denser border to restore shape. These adjustments correct gauge drift and give a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.